How to study math. Studying for exams. Here are some tips on studying for exams. Number 1. Start on day 1. You should always be studying for the next exam. Do a little each day, or at the very least start studying 2 to 3 days before the exam. Do not start studying the night before the exam. Cramming just doesn't work as well as spending time each day studying, especially with a math class. Number 2. Get a good night's sleep. Get a good night's sleep the night before the exam. It is important to be well rested and mentally sharp when you take the exam. Number 3. Rework homework problems. Do not just read over the homework problems. Actually work them. Writing down the steps will help you to remember them. Make sure that you try to do the problems without looking at the solutions. Number 4. Rework book and notes examples. Cover up the solutions to book or note examples and try to work them. Number 5. Look for identifying characteristics in problems. While doing your homework, you knew which section it came out of. This provided some clues as to the solution process. During an exam, you won't have this to help you. So, while reviewing your homework, look for identifying characteristics that will give you clues on how to identify that kind of problem. Number 6. Make a list of important concepts and formulas. Review your notes and make a concise list of important concepts and formulas. Make sure you know these formulas and, more importantly, how to use them. Number 7. Take a practice exam. Find some problems and treat them as practice tests. Give yourself a time limit and don't use your notes or book.